I believe that every human being has a superhuman inside of them. And most of us are walking around. In fact, your audience, I would guess 50, 60% of your audience is walking around at about 50% of their true state of normal.
Do you ever feel like you might only be operating at 50% of your true potential? Gary Brecka, a world-renowned biohacker, claims that it's not aging or environment holding you back, it's nutrient deficiencies. In this video, we'll take a look at key nutrients that could help boost your energy levels, as well as exploring how an element that's all around you could be the key to unlocking your body's full capabilities, even after 40. This statement by Brecka challenges everything we thought we knew about aging and health. So what does this mean for you? By being aware of and focusing on oxygen levels, you could transform your health and vitality.
You said, the presence of oxygen is the absence of disease.
There is no more truthful statement than that statement. There is no more truthful statement than that statement. In 22 years of mortality research, we did not find a single disease etiological pathway, not one, that did not have its roots in a lack of blood oxygen.
Now, you might be thinking, oxygen, isn't that just in the air? Yes, indeed, oxygen is the key element all around you that could be the key to unlocking your body's full capabilities. But there's more to it than just being in the air we breathe. In the next few minutes, we'll reveal simple, affordable ways to boost your oxygen levels and revolutionize your health habits. Are you ready to discover how you can tap into this hidden power and potentially double your energy and well-being? Welcome to Fit Over 40, a channel dedicated to optimizing your health in your 40s and beyond. In today's video, we're looking at Gary Brecka's revolutionary approach to whole body health. But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you can stay up to date on the latest health and wellness videos specifically for those of us in our 40s and beyond. Before we get to oxygen, let's explore further a full picture of optimal health. According to Gary Brecka, there are 3 essential raw materials your body craves. These aren't exotic superfoods or pricey potions. They're simple, accessible elements that many of us overlook. Could these be the missing pieces in your health puzzle? Brecka's approach to health is refreshingly straightforward. He identifies 3 key pillars that form the foundation of optimal wellness: essential amino acids, essential fatty acids, especially omega-3s, and essential minerals. These basic building blocks are crucial for our bodies to function at their best. Yet many of us, especially high performers, are surprisingly deficient in them. Let's break down each of these pillars. Essential amino acids are the building blocks of protein, vital for muscle maintenance, immune function, and overall cellular health. Essential fatty acids, particularly omega-3s, play a crucial role in brain health, inflammation reduction, and heart health. Essential minerals are necessary for countless bodily functions, from bone health to enzyme production. You might be wondering, how can I incorporate these into my daily routine? The good news is, Brecka's approach to supplementation is both simple and affordable. He advocates for focusing on these basics rather than getting caught up in the latest trendy supplements. This makes his advice particularly accessible for those of us in our 40s and beyond, who are looking for practical ways to optimize our health without breaking the bank. Here are some practical tips to get you started. For essential amino acids, instead of going for the typical protein powder, look for one that contains a broad variety of amino acids, giving your body the key ingredients to build better proteins. For omega-3s, incorporate fatty fish like salmon into your diet a few times a week, or consider a high-quality fish oil supplement or a black seed oil supplement. When it comes to minerals, a teaspoon of high-quality salt stirred into a glass of water in the mornings can do the trick. By focusing on these 3 pillars and cutting out junk foods that lack these nutrients, you may start to notice significant improvements in your energy levels, mental clarity, and overall well-being. Many people report feeling more vibrant and resilient when they address these fundamental nutritional needs. It's like giving your body the basic tools it needs to repair, regenerate, and thrive. Remember, optimal health isn't about following complex regimens or spending a fortune on supplements. It's about getting back to basics and providing your body with the essential raw materials it needs to function at its best. By incorporating these 3 pillars into your daily routine, you're laying a solid foundation for health and longevity. Did you know that when you eat and exercise might be just as important as the what? Gary Brecka's 30-30-30 method challenges everything you thought you knew about morning routines. Are you ready to unlock the power of your first waking hours? The 30-30-30 method is a simple yet powerful approach to kickstart your day. It consists of 3 key components: consuming 30 grams of protein within 30 minutes of waking up, followed by 30 minutes of low-intensity exercise. This method is designed to set you up for success, optimizing your health for the next 24 hours. Let's break it down. First, the protein. Starting your day with a protein-rich breakfast can help stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce cravings, and support muscle maintenance. For those of us over 40, this is especially crucial as we naturally begin to lose muscle mass. Some great options include eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein shake if you're short on time. Next comes the low-intensity exercise. This doesn't mean you need to hit the gym hard first thing in the morning. A brisk walk, gentle yoga, or even some light stretching can do the trick. The goal is to get your body moving and your blood flowing. This gentle activity can help boost your metabolism, improve insulin sensitivity, and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. But why is timing so important? Brecka explains that the first 90 minutes after waking can significantly influence your health for the next 24 hours. By fueling your body with protein and engaging in light exercise early, you're setting yourself up for better energy levels, improved focus, and more stable blood sugar throughout the day. The strength of the 30-30-30 method lies in its simplicity. In fact, it's so simple that it's the easiest way to quickly transform your health habits. By sticking to this routine, you may notice improvements in your insulin sensitivity, weight management, and overall vitality. Many people report feeling more energized and focused throughout the day after adopting this approach. While creating sustainable habits is crucial, there's another factor that could dramatically boost your health, and it's all around you. What if I told you that the secret to feeling younger, stronger, and more energized was as simple as changing the way you breathe? Brecka believes that optimizing oxygen levels in your body could be the key to unlocking your full potential.
To the mitochondria, gives the mitochondria 16 times more energy. What does it mean when a cell has 16 times more energy? It has 16 times the energy to eliminate waste, to repair, to detoxify, to regenerate, to protect itself, to divide, and also to find other cells that are not doing their job.
But how can we harness the power of oxygen to improve our health? One effective method Brecka recommends is breath work. By practicing specific breathing techniques, you can increase the oxygen levels in your body, potentially leading to improved energy, better mental clarity, and enhanced overall well-being.
Learn to do a simple breathwork technique. I use a breathwork technique called Wim Hof. I believe I've gone well over 4 years without missing a single day.
Simple exercises like deep belly breathing or alternate nostril breathing can be easily incorporated into your daily routine.
I would have people start with 3 rounds of 5 breaths. Work your way up to 3 rounds of 10 breaths, 3 rounds of 15, 3 rounds of 20. Don't rush it, right? It's just a simple technique. So start with 3 rounds of 5 breaths.
Brecka uses another powerful tool for boosting oxygen levels and overall health: cold water immersion. This practice, which might sound daunting at first, offers a multitude of benefits.
When you put the body under stress, peripheral vasoconstriction dumps the blood into the core in an effort to save your life, floods the brain with oxygen, floods the liver, lungs, pancreas, kidneys with oxygen, releases cold shock proteins, which scour the body of free radical oxidation, increase the rate of protein synthesis.
If the idea of plunging into icy water seems overwhelming, don't worry. Brecka provides a step-by-step guide for incorporating cold exposure into your daily routine. He suggests starting small with cold showers.
You can get a very similar benefit from cold showers. There's no reason to not do cold showers because you can't afford a cold plunge.
Yeah.
Begin with just a few seconds of cold water at the end of your shower and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. The benefits of increasing oxygen levels in your body are numerous. You might experience improved energy levels, better cognitive function, enhanced physical performance, and even a stronger immune system. By focusing on oxygen optimization through breathwork and cold exposure, you're giving your body the tools it needs to function at its best. As we've explored Gary Brecka's approach to health, we've uncovered some powerful insights. The focus on oxygen, essential nutrients, and the 30-30-30 method provides a solid foundation for wellness. Now it's time to take action. Remember, transformation doesn't happen overnight. Start with one small change today. Maybe it's adding a protein-rich breakfast or taking a short walk in the morning, or even ending your shower with a blast of cold water. Your journey to better health begins with a single step. At any age, you have the power to transform your habits and improve your well-being. Your best years might just be ahead of you, so why wait? Take that first step towards a healthier, more vibrant you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, share it with your friends and family and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the latest health and fitness videos to make this decade the best of your life. Stay fit, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.